Hello guys, good morning. Hope all you are fine. It's been a long time. We could not get in touch with you, and I was very busy during this time. So today I have just brought a new tool for you. It's very useful tool. I try to choose the useful tools only. So I have just picked up one tool for you, especially for the developer, those who are totally dependent on the designer. Once the designer will prepare the images while developing app or website or anything, right? So I have found a very useful tool, that is Napkin AI. I'll show it to you. You can just type Napkin AI here in Google, and the first link, napkin.ai, and you will see get visuals from your text. This is exactly what it does, right? So you can just sign in, or even without sign in you can just use it. Just click on this, and here is the place. Like I have already done that. So you won't see, the first time you won't see this screen, so you can click on this. You have three options there. So this is basically is very useful. Draft with AI, right? So generative text AI, so it generates the text and visuals as well. So I have just written a prompt here, right? Websolutionstechnologies specializes in website and app development, and also offer comprehensive digital marketing, right? So I'll just add one thing more. Technology is an IT company and specializes this is the specializing in website and app development, also offers marketing, comprehensive digital marketing, right? So I'll just paste it here, right? And now I'll just click on continue. So see, it's generating the text. Websolution Technology is an innovative IT that specializes in website and app development, while also providing comprehensive and a lot of other text. It has given conclusion and all that, right? So you can add text, you can edit it as well, so there is no limit. Now the important part is that when you just hover over it on the any paragraph, it will show you this small icon, generate visuals. I click on it, it will generate the visuals as per this information, right? So based on the information, see, right? So exactly what about the paragraph is written in the paragraph, it shows digital marketing, website development, app development, right? And I can choose the different options also. See, I choose this one, right? So app development, so this kind of visuals you can just generate. I just right click on it and click on export and download. It gives very good resolution. See now, right? So logo you can just manage there, but otherwise see, it's very beautiful. The same thing. Now the next, website development, if I click on this one, it will generate the website development based. So see now this one, okay? It's very brand identity, SEO, visuals, user-friendly interface, responsive, and all that. If I just want to export it, I can export it, or right click on it, right? And if I just want to change the visuals, I can change it from here. I can choose this one. So this image is also, I also find it good. I'll just download it and I can use in my website or anywhere I just want to, right? So the same thing you can use with the different visuals, app development. Let's see, click on here. Now generate the text, visuals. See, iOS development, customer satisfaction, and all that relevant in today's mobile driven. If you just read the paragraph, it will say that into today's having a robust app is crucial for the business WS Tech offers end-to-end development services for both iOS and Android platform. Exactly based on the text, it is generating this visuals, right? So this is how you can use it. It's very useful. You can use the text also, you can use the visuals also. So that's all for today, and we will get more such important video for you. Use it, and I'm sure that anybody who sees these visuals can easily get the idea that exactly what kind of services we are offering, right? So thank you so much for watching. Please do subscribe and like as well, and we will bring more such useful video. Thank you. Have a great day.